There's two schools of mushing. There's racers and there's dog people. We're definitely dog people. We run sleds, we run bikes, we run rigs. We can across with our dogs because we love being with our dogs. If we don't win, we don't care. We go out there to have fun with our dogs. And now that I can get around much better, it makes it a lot more fun and a lot easier to do things. I've never been a runner, but now if I have to run, I can. It's in a very short period of time, I went from having a noticeable limp and a lot of swelling to walking like a normal person, being able to get on my mountain bike and put on 8, 10, 12 miles through the single tracks, and actually increasing my speed. And every time I go out now, everything is a little bit easier and it's a little bit faster, so it makes it more fun. Everything is just easier to do now because I can get around better.